Okay. Yeah, I'm sorry. So right now it should be good with the sound. Yeah, I was talking about. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. This mic was muted, but I was mentioning for for you guys. Let's see here. So EQ, I was interested in that, but you can see here it faded already too much. No interest in this thing. I was hoping for it to hold up around that VWAP, and maybe it could reset, reclaim for a potential long, and maybe we could see that $10. But right now, it's gonna go back at my watch list. But I'll go over BLRX. So I'm hoping for this one to wash out, hold around that 2 above the 210 level, and then maybe if it can set up with a higher low for the breakout. And you can see here on the daily chart, guys, that level, the pre-market highs here, we're testing as resistance and here as support. So hopefully we have some power to break through that. And I'll unmute the other channels here. So that's BLRX, guys. Good morning, Nurse Trader. Thank you, Tim Piper. Snowing already. Rich Media. Sound is still good, guys. Okay. Less than 5 minutes here. Sound is good. All right, thank you, Christopher. Twitter, guys. Big washout here, and I drew again here this line of the pre-market lows, looking again at the daily chart, to see where it corresponds. You can see we might have some potential support on this. Looking at this 5-minute chart, if we get a washout maybe towards 44, reclaim that VWAP, we might see, it's pretty far, but I'm not necessarily saying it's gonna go all the way up for that red to green move towards this 52.43s, but if we get that long setup with a higher low after that washout, we might see some decent potential long setup there on this Twitter. Pinterest. I am just gonna keep this one on watch. You can see here on the daily chart, it has been on a grind, and after, on this was Wednesday, they reported earnings, and again on Thursday, it had that gap up in the pre-market, but it sold off. That's the usual short sell I would be looking for. Taking advantage of profit selling after seeing people taking, selling for profits after they have been riding out this move, and they're finally getting that pop, with range. So we might see a potential, long setup in this one if we get, of course, I like to see a weak open on this and a reclaim of that VWAP, guys. And we might see again a potential move for this 62.50s. Of course, watching SRRK, but today, also the volume is pretty low. So I'm just gonna watch it for today. I don't have any bias on it at the moment. Yeah, those are pretty much the names that I'm watching for today, guys. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to hit that like button, guys. For those who just popped into the channel, don't forget to check out the free video recap on the trade that I did in SRRK. I'll post again the link, and of course the execution chart is included in the video. So there's in the YouTube chat, you'll see the YouTube link for the video recap. Let me see if I have any questions, guys. Apple. Yeah. I was looking at that Apple earlier, also that washout after earnings yesterday. Yeah, could be something like Twitter. Pero could be something like Twitter. If you get a washout maybe towards this 110, if that holds and reclaims that VWAP, you might see a potential red to green move towards this 115. Also, looking at the daily chart, this pop towards this high 137's drop. If this is going to decide as a higher low, if this is going to decide to hold as a higher low, I must say, then maybe yes. So, okay, we are going into the final minute here before the opening bell. I want to wish everyone, of course, a blessed Friday ahead. Don't forget to change your clocks coming Sunday night, guys. Don't be late next Monday for the opening bell. So again, don't forget that time change. Also, guys, yeah, I'm gonna wish you good luck. Thank you guys for watching the channel here, the screen share. I'm gonna cut that right now, and I'm gonna go back to the usual, the regular channels. And of course, don't forget to hit that like button. And yeah, be safe, guys. Let's finish October strong. The final day of October. Halloween. And thank you, by the way, for watching the chart stream, guys.